In the ever-evolving landscape of internet aesthetics, ड्रीमकोर एक ऐसा एस्थेटिक है जो अपनी सरियल और इमोशनली रेजोनेंट वाइब्स के लिए स्टैंड आउट करता है। 2020s की शुरुआत में पॉपुलर हुआ ये ट्रेंड। ड्रीमकोर is a visual and auditory language that seeks to capture the elusive, often contradictory feelings of dreams, nostalgia, confusion, wonder, and unease through a blend of imagery, music, and storytelling. ड्रीमकोर एक ऐसी दुनिया क्रिएट करता है जो रियल भी लगती है पर इम्पॉसिबल भी, जैसे हम किसी सपने में खो गए हो। It is an aesthetic that blurs the boundaries between reality and fantasy. The roots of Dreamcore are as nebulous as the dreams it seeks to emulate. इसके कुछ elements हमें early internet culture और surrealist art में मिलते हैं. The aesthetic began to crystallize in the 2010s. 2012 में YouTube user Glass Beatles ने कुछ ऐसे वीडियोस अपलोड किए जिसमें liminal spaces, cryptic text और surreal visuals थे. However, it was not until the late 2010s and early 2020s that Dreamcore truly found its identity, largely thanks to platforms like Tumblr and TikTok, जहाँ लोगों ने ड्रीम लाइक विजुअल्स और अजीबोगरीब कैरेक्टर्स शेयर करने शुरू किए। Dreamcore's rise was meteoric, fueled by the viral nature of TikTok and the collective longing for escapism during uncertain times. लेकिन इसके साथ कंट्रोवर्सी भी आई। Weirdcore कम्युनिटी के कुछ लोगों ने इसे watered down या mainstream weirdcore कहा, arguing that it lacks the original's uncanny, disorienting edge. लेकिन सच ये है कि Dreamcore अपनी अलग ही emotional depth लेकर आता है। Dreamcore evokes the emotional complexity of dreams, often balancing comfort, unease, nostalgia, and novelty. Dreamcore looks like something pulled out of a dream you only half remember. Beautiful, strange, and maybe a little wrong in the best way. Liminal spaces, जैसे empty hallways, abandoned playground, या ऐसी जगह that evoke a sense of being in between worlds. Unrealistic structures. The visuals play with physics and memory. Floating buildings, skies that are too blue, hills that look photoshopped, like the landscape itself is glitching, bright, pastel, or rainbow colored. Unlike the darker tones of weirdcore, Dreamcore में आपको light, vivid colors मिलेंगे, blue, green, pink, white, etc. to create a sense of wonder and unreality. Surreal characters. Then come the characters, kids with flower pots for heads, people with too many eyes or mouths in the wrong place. They are not scary exactly, just weird. छोटी-छोटी contextless lines या monologues, mostly simple fonts में जो mystery और introspection का feel देते हैं. Pop-up windows, text boxes या digital artifacts जो अर्ली इंटरनेट या वीडियो गेम्स की याद दिलाते हैं. एंड द डिटेल, आईज, क्लाउड्स, विंग्स, रेनबो फॉग, ओल्ड टीवी स्क्रीन्स, बबल्स, मशरूम्स, like your brain just shuffled a deck of memories and laid them out at random. Nothing fully makes sense, but that's kind of the point. Dreamcore की सबसे बड़ी strength उसकी emotional depth है. People use the word anemoia for it. Nostalgia for a time or place you never actually lived through. That describes Dreamcore pretty well. It taps into the universal experience of dreaming, where logic is suspended, memories are distorted, and the impossible becomes possible. Dreamcore images and music देखकर अक्सर एक अजीब सी longing या melancholy feel होती है, as if recalling a half-remembered dream from childhood. Dreamcore का influence films और visual media में भी clearly दिखता है. Directors और artists colors, set design और narrative का use करके dream-like states create करते हैं. One of the most iconic example is the pastel artificial suburb in Tim Burton's Edward Scissorhands. The film's neighborhood with its candy-colored houses and eerily perfect lawns feels both inviting and unsettling. An idealized world that is just a little too perfect, echoing the surreal logic of dreams. Other films that embody Dreamcore sensibilities include Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Michael Gondry's film uses shifting memories, surreal transitions, and emotionally charged visuals to explore the landscape of mind and the fragility of memory. Coraline. The film's alternate world is a child's dream turned nightmare, filled with familiar yet strange characters and settings. Paprika, Japanese animated film जो ड्रीम्स और रियलिटी को मिक्स कर देती है, वाइब्रेंट और इम्पॉसिबल विजुअल्स के साथ. Inception, Christopher Nolan's blockbuster, is a literal exploration of dream architecture with gravity-defying hallways and paradoxical staircases. Donnie Darko, suburban setting, time loops और एक mysterious rabbit costume वाला character, सब कुछ एक dream-like liminal atmosphere create करते हैं. YouTube और TikTok पर भी creators जैसे Baphomet Kun और Spooked Folky Dreamcore visuals और sound का use करके immersive experiences बनाते हैं. Liminal spaces, cryptic text और surreal characters के साथ. Video games are a natural home for Dreamcore, allowing players to explore impossible worlds and experience the logic of dreams firsthand. कुछ famous examples: LSD, Dream Emulator, एक cult classic जहां आपको हर बार नए bizarre dreamscapes मिलते हैं बिना किसी clear objective के. Yume Nikki, an indie game where players explore the dreams of a young girl, encountering strange creatures in surreal landscapes. Omori, RPG game जिसमें pastel visuals और dark, dreamlike themes मिलते हैं. Memory, trauma और subconscious explore होता है. Superliminal, पजल गेम जो पर्सपेक्टिव और स्केल के साथ खेलता है, दैट फील्स डिस्टिंक्टली ड्रीम लाइक। अमांडा द एडवेंचरर और ENA ड्रीम बारबेक्यू, बोथ गेम्स यूज surreal visuals, cryptic storytelling and liminal spaces to immerse players in a dream core world. If dream core looks like a dream, the music is what makes it feel like one. Music is a vital part of the Dreamcore aesthetic, providing the emotional undercurrent that brings its visual to life. In Dreamcore music, you'll hear lo-fi textures, soft vocals, dreamy synths, or even glitches that sound like your speakers are falling asleep. Radiohead, the band's later albums, especially Kid A and Amnesiac, are filled with surreal soundscapes, cryptic lyrics, and a sense of emotional dislocation. Songs like Everything in Its Right Place and Pyramid Song feels like transmissions from a dream, with their haunting melodies and abstract imagery. Islet, the K-pop group's song Magnetic, is a recent example of Dreamcore's influence in mainstream music, with its dreamy synths, layered vocals, and lyrics about being drawn into an irresistible surreal world. Beach House, इनका lush reverb heavy sound अक्सर एक hazy memory या half remembered dream जैसा लगता है on albums like Teen Dream and Bloom. Crystal Castles, their glitchy, distorted electronic music and haunting vocals evoke a sense of digital dreams and fractured realities. Blood Orange, Grouper, Mild High Club, Millie, Lemon Demon, Windows 96 and Strawberry Guy are just a few of the many artists whose music is frequently associated with Dreamcore, each bringing their own unique take on the dreamy, surreal and nostalgic. Dreamcore community काफी creative है, with artists, musicians and fans sharing their interpretations across social media. However, the aesthetic's rapid rise has led to debates about authenticity and originality. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि Dreamcore Weirdcore का diluted version है, stripped of its unsettling edge for mass appeal. Others see it as a natural evolution, reflecting a generational shift towards introspection, nostalgia, and the search for meaning in a chaotic world. Dreamcore is more than just an internet trend. It is a reflection of our collective psyche in the digital age. सपनों की surreal, emotional और contradictory nature को capture करके ये हमें exploration, escapism और self-expression का एक नया space देता है. Whether through haunting visuals, ethereal music or interactive media, Dreamcore invites us to question the boundaries of reality and imagination, to find beauty in the strange, the nostalgic and the unknown. In a world that often feels overwhelming and uncertain, Dreamcore हमें याद दिलाता है कि सपने सिर्फ एक refuge नहीं, बल्कि इंस्पिरेशन और वंडर का सोर्स भी है. It is an aesthetic that encourages us to embrace the surreal, to find meaning in the liminal, and to celebrate the mysterious landscapes of our own minds.